Guys, it's Dire Straits here in Velgemoot. As you guys can see, we've had a lot of rain. And that means a lot of mud. I mean, just look at this mess that I have to sort out now. It stinks. It's definitely Dire Straits Velgemoot edition. I mean, this looks like the most disgusting soup you've ever seen. Laura, have a look. Okay guys, at least you don't have to go through this Dire Straits this winter. But myself, from the Dire Straits team here in Velgemoot, until the next one, try to stay away from a mess like this. Dire Straits Velgemoot edition.